Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the alternator. First, gather your essential tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various sockets and wrenches. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the passenger side front wheel, then carefully detach the inner fender liner to gain clear access to the alternator. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to the alternator itself. Use a serpentine belt tool to release tension, then carefully remove the belt from the pulley. Next, locate and disconnect the main power wire, usually secured with a 12mm or 13mm nut. Don't forget to unplug the smaller electrical connector harness. Finally, remove the two 14mm mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. Removing the old alternator can be tricky due to limited space. Gently wiggle it free. Before installing the new unit, always compare it side by side with the old one to confirm it's the correct part. Once confirmed, carefully guide the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Reinstall the two mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug, but do not over-tighten them at this stage. With the new alternator in place, reconnect the electrical harness and the main power wire, securing the 13mm nut. Carefully route the serpentine belt back on all pulleys, then release the tensioner to apply proper tension. Reinstall the inner fender liner and the passenger front wheel. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start your engine, and verify that your charging system is working correctly, ideally showing over 13 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.